남게 털럽 럽주 촉배 소신 지린 중이 부모스링 라모네 인게토 담시에 남유.
In the ennobling vows of Kyabche Zoparumbuche La, cherishing others is a source of all happiness. Most honorable chief guest of the day, His Eminence Kyabche Zoparumbuche La, Representative Tsipri Lopeng Kungu Tunche Ngong Choktupla, other distinguished guests, honorable school principal, headmasters, staff members, dear parents, and all the spectators who are present here this morning. Warm Tashidilik and hearty welcome to you all to our 30th Annual School Sports Day. I am Swing Hamu of Class 12, standing here as a student representative to say some few words. After enduring the suffocating shackles of pandemic, we are finally gathering here to celebrate the 30th Annual School Sports Day after very 2 long years. Aren't we feeling truly blessed and blissful to be having Sports Day, and that too in the most benign presence of Kyabche Zoparumbuche La? Well, how was our March Past parade? Wasn't it a riot of colors and beautiful? I'm sure you all loved it. After the parade and the opening ceremony, we are also going to present few entertaining mass display items such as mass aerobic display, formation of Olympic symbol, and Tibetan cultural dance and song. So hold your breath for exciting events. It is needless to say that games and sports are important components of education, and we want to say that we can ignore at our own health risks. Besides, it has a big role in building our character and personality as a whole. We believe that the soul of games and sports are the participation and the spirit of sportsmanship, teaching us to accept defeat gracefully and accepting the great quality in the winners. Honorable dignitaries and parents, how can we thank you all for coming all the way here to be with us on this important event to encourage and bless us. So lastly, on behalf of all the students, I would like to say tones of thanks and gratitude to you all. Please feel comfortable and have a nice day. Thank you.